One thing what I forgot was the fact that I've got no brakes. November, eventually starting our so-called engine swap on my old tranny. I haven't been started for over 3 weeks now, so I'm gonna try to fire it up. So, as usual, as I'm sure I'm not the only one using my bloody van for storage while it's on the driveway. Basically what we're gonna do, we're gonna go and load up my new engine that's been out for about 2 months. The engine, as most of you know, comes from X-type Jag. Probably a mistake I've done. The Jag is 2005 and I live like 2 miles away from Euler's zone. I should have thought about petrol maybe or something, but well, whatever. I'm doing it just for fun. My dreams is, and I want to say it once again, my dream is to have 350 horses in it, or really close to it. But as it is at this time, finances obviously is number one. Second thing is time, because this van gonna be used for my building job. It's gonna be used as a family van, family bus, and I would like to have some fun with it while not spending like complete fortune on my fuel costs. So I've got my uniform, RBC, Rad Bastard Crew. If you like different cars or rad rods, whatever different, that's Facebook page. I strongly suggest you to join in. Really friendly community. Anyway, peace out for now. Just came off my driveway, which wasn't that bad. One thing what I forgot was the fact that my van was standing on a driveway for 3 weeks. Before that, the van was standing on a roadside for probably like 2-3 weeks beforehand. So basically this van was standing still for well over a month, and I have no brakes. Already gone. That is scary as f. I mean, I consider myself as a good driver. Unset up. That's it. Jag ringer oss nu och besöks inget i kväll. That was the scariest 5-mile drive I ever had. I'm no snowflake, but bloody hell, driving with no brakes is shit. What? Engine is in.